The RAVA is suitable forward-facing for children between 25 and 65 pounds. For forward-facing, any of the recline positions in the red window between 1 and 5 are acceptable. For additional comfort, the leg rest can be extended by pulling down and forward. First step is we're going to locate the tether at the back of the car seat, unhook the tether, give it some length, thread it through the vehicle headrest. Going to raise the headrest up, loosen the harness, unbuckle and secure with the buckle holders. Lift open the fabric, exposing the true tension doors, and lift open the forward-facing door. I'm going to take the vehicle seat belt, get some slack, thread it through the belt path, buckle it in. Get all of the slack out of that belt. You want to lock your vehicle seatbelt by pulling all the way out. Listening for that ratchet noise, that means it's locked. Close your true tension door. Replace your seat fabric. Attach your tether at the back of the seat and tighten. And as a final check, we're going to grasp at the seat belt path and move left to right, and the seat should move less than 1 inch. And then I'm going to pull on the vehicle seat belt to make sure that it's locked. Always make sure to read and refer to your instruction manual. If you have additional questions on how to install your RAVA car seat, please reach out to our consumer service team. Thank you for choosing Nuna.